Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr guys. So, today it's my personal project, which I was working for a few days with Claude. And this project is special to me because I'm using Ubuntu Windows. Okay, so our servers are Linux based and our, my PC here is as well Linux based. So I only use Windows for particular things like programmers or something, but I try to avoid Windows. I don't like Windows. Yes, I'm not a Windows fan, not a Mac OS fan. Not that they are not capable operating systems, but it's just my preference is Linux. So I've created a web CD player repository. Okay, I can show you here on the right. If you go to GitHub and you will put web CD player, it's as a repository and all the instructions are there. If you use Ubuntu, you will be able to install it. Just, all the details are, it's enough and it's easy. It's awesome app, literally. I use it for the last few days. Now here you've got listen. If I will insert a CD, then it will show the music and it will grab the names of the song and everything if it's submitted, and it, you can find this album online. Self-explanatory. Use WAV or mp3 qualities which you prefer. I've preset them in purpose so you don't have to guess things. Yes, that's if you just for car or some lower quality where you don't care that much about quality, but you do care about space, then that's the way to do it. Yes. And so if somebody likes and have whole library, you can have whole library. It's of course not whole library, like I've got far more than that. Yes, but that is a lot. Then my music, which I've created with Gemini and Producer AI. Yes, like you might know this song for instance, but you don't know this song, and this song is just made instead of the singing text.
Yeah, we're looking for the light,
So
somewhere between the stars and the ground.
because we get members,
Listen,
that's parody.
we've seen the crowns and the iron fists, the autocrats and the lists of risks. We tried the vote, we tried the goal, but the same old stories are getting old. Now the experts sit in a high-tech tower, but who's got the heart, who's got the power? Spinning wheels in a broken machine, searching for something we haven't seen. It's not about the left or the right,
And there is a
it's about the fire we kindle tonight. 5 pillars for every man, a brand new world, a better plan. It's time to meet in the middle, where the dream and the logic align. We're building integrity, leaving the hunger and the shadows behind. Shelter, clothing, food, and the word. The voice of the people finally heard. Yeah, we're meeting in the middle, one heart at a time.
But for now I don't have plans. I just wanted something.
You need a roof and a way to talk, a path to run before you walk. But the secret sauce, the missing part, is the integrity inside your heart, and an education that fits your soul. Because a cookie cutter mind won't make us whole. With diverse colors, not a shade of gray, we're learning how to find a better way. It's not about the left or the right, it's about the fire we kindle tonight. If you give back, you're moving ahead. Write a new story instead. It's time to meet in the middle, where the dream and the logic align. We're building integrity, leaving the hunger and the shadows behind. Shelter, clothing, food, and the word. The voice of the people finally heard. Yeah, we're meeting in the middle, one heart at a time. Imagine a life where the fear is gone, where you choose the dust or you chase the dawn. You want a little, that's okay. You want the world, we'll find a way. No more greed, no more walls, just a community that answers the calls. Question the experts, solve it together. Integrity, now and forever.